The DJI Pocket 4 isn't just floating around in rumor land anymore. Stock has actually reached major retailers in China, and not just a unit or two, we're talking full-on inventory listings, and as was leaked earlier, the launch is closing in. What really adds weight to this is a fresh leak from a warehouse management app, not glossy promo images, not spy shots. This is an internal-looking stock list, and that's a first. Earlier leaks were all about how the device looks. This one is about what's already sitting in storage, ready to move. The app literally shows registered consignments, which strongly suggests pre-launch stock prep. In simple terms, boxes are packed, accessories are matched, and someone is getting ready to hit ship. Now the kits listed are exactly what you'd expect if a launch is close. There's a standard kit, an Amazon kit, and an all-in-one kit with transmitter. That DMT03 name pops up more than once, which is interesting. It's widely assumed to be some kind of wireless transmitter or remote, likely tied to better connectivity or audio, but nothing is officially confirmed yet. Still, it wouldn't be unusual to see a separate FCC filing for a transmitter, so that part checks out. As for launch, whispers pointing to a Q1 2026 launch, think February or March. Earlier chatter suggested 2025, but accessory-related delays seem to have pushed things back. There's also talk of a Pocket 4 Pro showing up later, maybe sometime between April and June, but that feels like a second wave rather than part of the initial launch. Now let's talk about what Insta360 is up to, because this part is interesting for a very different reason. Insta360 didn't just tease an idea, they're clearly building something real. A few days ago, we were looking at patent drawings, fast forward, and now we're staring at actual prototype images. That's a big leap. What they're working on is a modular pocket camera, not just detachable in a gimmicky way, but properly modular. The camera head, the screen module, and the battery section all appear to be separate pieces. This isn't the first time we've seen detachable designs. Feiyu tried something similar with the Pocket 3, letting you pop the camera off and use it separately. Cool idea. But this feels like the next level. From the leaked images, it already looks like there are two different camera modules. That alone opens up a lot of possibilities. Different sensors, different lenses, different use cases. Without replacing the entire device, the modularity doesn't stop at the camera. The bottom section almost certainly functions as a battery module, meaning grip styles and battery capacities could change depending on what you're doing. The middle section, that seems to be the constant. The screen, the processor, the controls, the brain stays the same. Honestly, it feels like the kind of direction a hypothetical Pocket 4 Pro might go someday, but Insta360 is doing it now and leaning all the way into flexibility. So yeah, between DJI quietly stacking inventory and Insta360 openly experimenting with modular hardware, Pocket cameras are suddenly way more exciting than they were a few months ago. And if this is where things are headed, we're in for a fun year. Peace.